Hello and welcome to Disco Dance and Class 1 to our routine, Everybody Dance by Chic. Today we're going to learn the intro. We're going to learn 4 counts of 8. I'm going to break it down into our feet and our arms. So join along with me. Here we go. So the first 4 counts of this are dead simple. You've got to stand in a nice sassy stance. It's up to you exactly how that looks, but I kind of pose something like this. I've got my hand on my hip and I've got my weight over on my right side. So stand there for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. You then want to transfer your weight over to the centre for the next 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. While you do that, you are going to drop your arm wherever it is, raise it up for the first 2 counts, and then I want you to bring it down for the next 2 counts, okay? So in total, it will look like this. We pose, 2, 3, 4, arm up, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? So let's do that, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, arm 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8. The next 8 counts, really simple. On the offbeat, so on the 2, I want you to bend your knee. So it's your right knee. We're going to have our knee straight for count 1, going to bend for count 2, straight for count 3, bend for count 4, straight for count 5, bend for 6, straight for 7, bend for 8. While you're bending your knee, I want you to lift up your right shoulder. So you've got your shoulder centre, your leg straight for count 1, bend shoulder up and knee down for 2, straight for 3, 4, straight for 5, 6, straight for 7, 8. All right, let's try that from the top. So from our stance, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, arm 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, bend, 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 bend. Excellent. The next 8 counts, I want you to step on your left foot. You step on your left foot, then you bring your right foot together. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the reason this rhythm's a little bit offbeat is because we are following the rhythm of the bass line. It will become clear when you do it with the music. So your left foot goes 1 and 2, right comes together and 3 and 4 and. So I'll do that one more time, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Excellent. Then the next bit is simple. You simply march 5, 6, 7, 8. So you've got right starting on your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Now your arms, I love this bit. You're basically cranking up your vibe, okay? You're sort of like making almost like a steam train starting to go up the hill, okay? It's really simple. All I want you to do is this movement. So you've got your arms going round your hips. Imagine you've got an axis sticking out of your hips and you've got your arms moving around in a circular motion. So I'll show you in real time because it's a bit easier to see than describe. So you're going to get your feet across. You've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then when you march, go in time. 5, 6, 7, 8. So every time your foot stamps, that is when you should be rolling your arms around, okay? So try that again. 6, 7, 8. Arms 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Wicked. So we've got our weight over on our right side. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm up. 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Wicked. Right, the next 8 counts, you've got a kickball change and you do that starting on your right foot. So I want you to go kickball change, kickball change, kickball change, kickball change. Okay, so you've got 4 of those in total. You then step out on your right foot. Oh, I should say, as you're doing your kickball change, arms still go around in this circled motion, so it's really simple. Then you step out on your right foot and you bend your weight over onto your right hip and tap on your left foot, okay? So the counts go 1, 2, then repeat on the left, 3, 4, okay? Then you're going to do 2 step togethers to the right, step, together, All right, so let's just try that, just the feet. Step on your right, tap, step on your left, tap, then 2 step-togethers on the right. Excellent. Now your arms go like this. So you step on your right, and as you do, you swoop your right arm round on an inside, so anti-clockwise motion. So you go in and then click out. As your hip kicks out, you click your right arm. Leave your arm there, and you do the same with your left as you step out to your left. So you go left, click, okay? Then the 2 step-togethers, I want you to put your left shoulder forward as you step on your right foot. So you're leading with your left shoulder, and then centre as your feet come together, and repeat the same. Step out, together. Okay, let's try that. 6, 7, 8. Step right, step left, and out, together, out, together. So let's go over from the right kickball change. 6, 7, 8. Kickball change, kickball change, kickball change, kickball change. Step right, step left, step together, step together. Now you do exactly the same but starting on your left. So we do 4 kickball changes on our left. We go kickball change, kickball change, kickball change, kickball change. Step dip this time on your left, and you've got your click out. Repeat on the right. Now 2 step-togethers on the left, leading with your right shoulder. Step together, step together. Okay, so let's do the whole thing from the top, standing on our right side. Okay, you've got 8 counts here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm up. 2, 3, 4, and down. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7. Kickball change. 2, 3, 4. Step click. Step and step and step together. Step together. Left side. 2, 3, 4. Step kick. Step kick. Step together. Step together. Cool. Let's do that with the music. Arm. 1. And down. Shoulder, 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 shoulder. Kickball change. Step click. Left. Nice. So that is the intro. Learnt. Congratulations. Next class, we're going to be learning the chorus. So I look forward to seeing you then.